In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo actions in Jotform while you're editing your form. Whether you've just deleted a field, moved an item to a position you didn't intend, or made changes to your text that you'd like to reverse, understanding how to easily undo your actions will save you time and help keep your form building process smooth and efficient. Let's start by discussing how simple it is to reverse your last actions with just a couple of keystrokes. If you are using a Windows computer, all you need to do is press Ctrl and Z at the same time. It's a quick combination that instantly undoes your most recent action in the form builder. This shortcut is handy, especially when you make an accidental change or quickly realize a modification was unnecessary. If you're on a Mac, it's just as easy. Simply hold down the Command key, often abbreviated as CMD, and then press the Z key simultaneously. The effectiveness of this key combination is the same, allowing you to effortlessly reverse your latest changes, just as you would on a Windows machine. These shortcuts work wonders for most recent actions, providing a reliable way to undo steps like deleting fields or sections that you want to keep, adjusting items that don't end up where you intended, or when you're trying out several text edits and want to step back to consider your options. It's all about maintaining control and precision as you refine your forms. Now, a tip that's helpful to remember is that the undo function is sequential. This means it will reverse actions in the order they were made, going back one step at a time. If you've performed several actions that need to be undone, you can continue to press Ctrl plus Z on Windows or CMD plus Z on Mac until you reach the particular point you want to revert to. This setup is particularly useful because as you experiment and make changes in the form builder, you have the flexibility and security of knowing that anything you alter can easily be undone until you reach your desired outcome. In conclusion, with these simple shortcuts at your disposal, editing in Jotform becomes a more fluid and less stressful experience. By using the undo function effectively, you can experiment freely with different designs and inputs, knowing that you can easily step back and correct anything you're not happy with. Remember to keep practicing these commands so they become second nature as you work, streamlining your process and enhancing your form building expertise. Thanks for watching and happy form crafting.